Hey everybody! Well, we've been working hard here at Pufferfish Villas, so now it's time to relax. This week we are going to go play in the water, and we're going to show you some of the cool things you can do here in Loreto if you're interested in water activities. We're Dooglass and Esperanza, and we decided to leave our lives in the U.S., sell almost everything we own, and move to Baja California Sur, where we decided to start a resort in the magical town of Loreto, Mexico. Please come with us to follow our journey and live before you die. There are a lot of activities to do here in Loreto, and we've done quite a few of them, but we had never been out on one of the catamarans that give cruises around out to the islands. And this week we took a cruise out, a sunset cruise actually, out to Isla Coronado, and it was fantastic. We are at the harbor today, and we are going on a sunset cruise on a catamaran.
So
which is
excited.
a new thing. Yeah.
I have never been on one, so I'm super excited.
So let's check it out.
Yes.
They have a nice little restaurant here called Pepagina's Restaurant and Bar. And we've been to the harbor many times, right?
Yes.
But we've never been on a catamaran for a cruise. We've always been out to the islands
Yes.
or doing some kind of beach time.
And we usually take the glass bottom boat, which is our favorite.
And there is our catamaran.
It's so beautiful.
It is really cool.
That's where the captain sits. Pretend I'm the driver.
You can go to down, please. I need to do the briefing.
Oh, yes. Time for a briefing. What do you think, Douglas?
It's very cool. When we got to the island, we were excited to see that we were sharing the bay with the sailing yacht Sea Eagle. This is an 81 meter or 266 foot yacht valued at around $100 million. And if you would like to charter this yacht, you can do it for only $600,000 to $700,000 a week. All right, we made it to Isla Coronado Island. We have the big sailing ship, the Sea Eagle, in back of us, and it's just an awesome day. We're here for the sunset. We've never been here for the sunset before, so
No, we haven't.
very cool.
So we're here with Noel. He is the captain of this boat from ABT
Sailing.
.com. What can you tell us about your boat?
Here, this area is a beautiful area. You know, it's Loreto. Loreto is a very quiet town. and the beaches is beautiful too. Right now we are in the Coronado Island, and it's a beautiful bay. We do this trip in Catamaran. It's a 46 foot. It's a big boat.
Very big.
For 13 people. It's a fun. We have a lot of tequila, margaritas. We make a nice ceviche for the guests. And the regular trip is around to Danzante Island. This trip is different. It's a new. It's coming to Coronado. It's another experience. We sail into. We raise the sails and it's a different experience in Loreto. It's a very nice place for coming.
I like it because you came right to the port in Loreto and picked us up there, and instead of driving down to Puerto Escondido. Is that usually where you're at?
Yes, regular trip is from Puerto Escondido to Danzante. It's a short trip. It's around to the island. We have a nice arch right there. It's like Cabo San Lucas, but different. It's a nice place. You need to come to here.
Oh, very beautiful.
Very.
All right. Thank you, Noel.
It's a pleasure. Always it's a pleasure.
Okay.
I try to do the best thing for the guests. And if everybody are happy, I am very happy.
We're happy, definitely. Yes.
Got another one. Second day in Loreto Bay. Came back, closed on it.
Nice.
Loved it. Came back.
A little cool, but not too bad.
We really like it that much.
It's so clear. Do you see the rays?
Not yet. Not right now.
They know me my whole life. Yeah, we want to be where the action people are. We need that cute little bubble Loreto Bay. It's a lot of fun, but it's yeah. That's wonderful.
Just taking a little swim here. It's actually pretty warm on the top of the water, but it is pretty cool underneath. I'm just gonna take a little swim around the boat here. This is the Catamaran, 46 feet. Very cool trip that we're on with some friends here. There's our captain, Noel. Bel Gato is the name of the boat.
Wait, put it up there and take a picture of yourself.
Water?
Right, folks. How you doing?
You can throw it overboard. We want Duran, Duran. The Rio.
Next, we're going to check out one of our favorite things that we love to do here in Loreto. It's one of the reasons that brought us here, and that is snorkeling. We love snorkeling and getting out there and being able to just basically swim in an aquarium. And Loreto is an awesome place to do that. And we're going to show you, you can actually snorkel from the shore here in Loreto. There are several places within 10 minutes of town that you can go out and snorkel. This location for snorkeling is in Loreto Bay. It goes around the big rock that is at the end of the beach in Loreto Bay. And you want to go around the rock from south to north because that's the way that the current goes. You also want to have probably a flotation device with you because this is a pretty long snorkel, and once you get out there around that rock, you don't have anywhere that you can get out of the water because it's, steep, sharp rocks going up the cliffside where the rock is. And so there's nowhere you could really get out of the water if you were getting tired or having trouble swimming. So it'd be a good idea to take some flotation devices with you. And that way you won't have to worry about it. You can just float around there and check it out. So let's see what you can see. The snorkeling from the shore here in Loreto.
Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. Yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never be the best days of my life. There I fell in love, held her hand, kissing while we painted hearts down in the sand. Yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never
If you want to snorkel, but either you're not able to physically or the water's too cold, if you're here in the middle of the winter when the water is colder, and you still want to get that experience of seeing all the fish under the water, there's another way to do it, and that is one of the glass bottom boats here in town. We have a friend of ours that has two glass bottom boats, a larger one that goes by the name Want to Sea, S-E-A like the sea, and then one named Want to Peak, P-E-E-K. And both of those, you can look up Want to See Loreto or Want to Peak Loreto, and you will find these boats. You can charter them to go out, or you can just buy a seat on the boat and go out and basically be able to snorkel without ever getting in the water. And we've seen things on these glass bottom boat tours that we've never seen in the water snorkeling. You know, you get to get close up with sea lions, and a lot of times you'll see other things that are a little farther out from the shore that normally you wouldn't go out that far. So it's kind of a cool experience. And they take you to the beach for a couple hours of fun at the beach. You can snorkel there at the beach too. You can just lay on the beach, hang out, swim in the water. It is a fantastic trip.
We are heading out on the glass bottom boat today. So excited.
Go down there. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are so many things to do here in Loreto, and there's so many things to do in the water, and we're going to try to show you as many of those activities as we can in future episodes. So keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and never forget to live before you die.